Gemini just hit 1 billion monthly users. Here's why that matters even if you've never opened the app. This is Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 131. 1 billion people now open the Gemini app every month to chat, ask questions, or create images. That matches the scale of major social platforms and shows these tools have moved from experiments to everyday habits. Think of it like the shift from landlines to smartphones. Something that once felt optional now sits in millions of pockets as a default. Google shared that 63% of those users speak directly to the assistant using voice instead of typing. The same system also creates more than 150 million images each day from simple descriptions. Imagine a helpful friend who can sketch anything you describe, answer homework questions, or brainstorm ideas without needing an art degree or coding skills. A year ago, most people only knew about one major chatbot, but now 2 large companies compete to make the same kind of assistant feel normal on phones. For students, this means reliable tools for explaining tough topics or generating quick visuals are easier to reach than ever. In future jobs, the ability to guide these systems and check their output will count as a basic workplace skill, the same way people now expect everyone to handle email. You might notice the change when friends share images created this way, or when search pages show short AI summaries first. Companies will keep improving speed and accuracy just to stay competitive, which benefits anyone who tries the tools. Open the Gemini app on your phone or visit the site in a browser. Then ask it to explain a school topic in plain language or create an image of something you picture. The basic version needs no payment to start. The guessing game inside these chatbots works like the autocomplete on your phone, except the guesses build entire paragraphs instead of single words. Picture the system studying billions of sentences during training, so it learns which words usually follow which patterns. When you ask for a schedule or story, it runs that same prediction step over and over, checking what it already wrote to keep everything consistent. It is like learning to ride a bike by practicing balance on different surfaces until the motion feels automatic. Each adjustment during training strengthens connections that match real human writing, so the output stays coherent even on longer requests. That single trained system can switch from math help to creative writing because the underlying pattern matching handles many subjects without new programs. Over time, the practice lets the model manage complex tasks while keeping the tone and facts steady from start to finish. Meta has updated its assistant so it can connect to your email and calendar, build slide decks, and keep working on repeating tasks like weekly summaries. Instead of answering one question and stopping, it can move across apps while you focus on something else. Think of it like a helpful neighbor who offers to run errands but checks in before making big decisions. The same update lets it do web research and produce ongoing outputs such as daily plans. You can steer the work while a report is being created. Go to the Meta site in a browser or open the app and type a request like, "Make a simple plan for my week using my calendar." It will show what it can reach and let you guide the process step by step. Google placed an interactive 3-dimensional tool inside its AI studio that shows the moon's shadow moving across Earth during an eclipse. You can pick cities and watch the exact sky view for key moments, then fast forward or rewind the animation. It works like a digital globe you spin on a table, except the motion follows real astronomical timing. No download is required and the tool runs directly in any browser. Open the AI Studio site, search for the eclipse visualizer, and try moving the timeline to see different stages of the event. The preview is free to use. Linux users now have an official desktop version of the Chatgpt app that keeps chats open next to other programs. It matches the experience already available on Windows and Mac systems. Some chatbots offer tips on saving or investing, yet the answers come from pattern matching rather than personal financial review. Treat any money suggestion as a starting point and compare it with advice from a bank site or a trusted adult before acting. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. Quick tip from the network, try the Do Positive Pod next. Good news in science and tech, plus one concrete action you can take. Every Narrow Network show is free at narrownetwork.com. The age of AI puts real builders on the phone with an AI host. Apply at narrownetwork.com/age-of-AI-apply. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.